Let's warmly invite Legorce Jacob Gray S. from Grade A, Blessed Comforter. Let's give him a well-deserved round of applause.
Madam Carmen C. Salvador, Chairman of the Board of Trustees. Dr. Armida Salvador Samaniego, President of Our Lady of Perpetual Soccer College. Distinguished members of the board, administrators, faculty members and staff, PTA officers, beloved parents, fellow achievers, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant day to all, and welcome to the year-end Junior High School Recognition Rides for school year 2024-2025. Sigma, a Gen Z word that I know is clearly familiar to all of us students. It represents someone who works diligently, thrives independently, and shines by remaining authentic. In academics, a Sigma student isn't just smart. They are disciplined and self-driven. Kamusta, mga Skibidi Sigma? Today is our day. We are gathered here not just to honor our academic excellence, but to celebrate the journey, the late night study sessions, every early morning when we chose to show up, and every small victory we achieved along the way. But beyond the grades and awards, today is about character. It's about how we stood so strong, even in the tough times, about how we help each other, and about how we never gave up, even in the most difficult and challenging times. It's about the friendships we've built, the lessons we've learned, and the strength we've discovered within ourselves. It is easy to see the success, but often invisible are the struggles behind it. Each and every single student recognized today carries a story filled with moments of self-doubt. Kaya ko ba to? Of overcoming fear? Ano kayang score ko? Of enduring failure? And of rising again despite the odds. Bawi ako next time. That's the spirit. Today, we're not just celebrating and recognizing the top achievers. We are celebrating every single student who gave their very best. To the ones who stumbled but stood back up. To the ones who struggled but never surrendered. We are also celebrating our passionate and dedicated teachers who never give up on us. For their patience, wisdom, endless encouragement and consideration. We are celebrating our parents and families who stood by our sides, encouraging us through every difficulty. Personally, allow me to thank my parents, Daddy Jerry and Mommy John, for being my #1 cheerleaders and for being the best support system. And most importantly, today would not be possible without the unwavering grace and guidance of our Almighty Father. It is by His strength that we endured, His wisdom that we found direction, and by His love that we were lifted when our spirits were low. Every step forward, every triumph, and every lesson learned has been a testament to His endless faithfulness in our lives. To our Almighty Father, we express and offer our sincerest gratitude and highest praise. to my fellow Sigma Achievers. As we move forward to the next chapter of our lives, may we bring with us the spirit of resilience, kindness, hope, and infinite aura. Let's continue to dream, to dare, and to believe in ourselves as we are capable of even greater things. Congratulations to all of us, to those who received awards, and even more so to those who never gave up. Today, we celebrate not perfection, but progress. Once again, I am Jacob Gray S. Legarce, welcoming you all to the year-end Junior High School Recognition Rites for school year 2024-2025. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay po tayong lahat.
Thank you, Jacob. Today, we recognize